Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. Many of us are facing a problem like whenever we post a reels on Instagram, then after a few days or a month, we see like the audio is not available or a songs or a music is not available for the reels which we have already posted. So first of all, let me tell you why this happened. For example, I am a creator of any video, okay, and thousands of people have used that audio that I have created a reels. So due to any reason, due to any personal reasons or any reason, I have deleted that reels from my Instagram. So now what will happen? The thousands people who have created a reels using my music, for everyone the audio will be not available, like they will get options like the music is not available or something like this. So this is a very common problem that many of us were facing, but Instagram has come up with a solution. Currently this is available for very limited users. The last week only Instagram have started working on this one. So basically here you can listen to our Instagram CEO what he have said here.
Yes, we actually launched this about a week ago. Sometimes we lose the rights to certain songs due to our negotiations with music labels, and then when we do so, we want to make sure people can replace the audio so that they can keep their reel up.
Okay, so now if you will see such reels in your account, you can go to that reels from a reels tab, not from a profile grid. And when you will click on three dot, you will get the option to change the audio. That means that audio is not available, but you can replace that with some any other songs that you wanted to replace it with. So very soon this will be available for everyone. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.